Tanggal talaga ng ano, stress.
Kaya para mawala yung negative.
Assalamualaikum, this is Rosa Pari. Today's vlog, tayo magti-trip sa Yanbu with my co-investors sa SMDC. So see you guys around.
Make a Rebel remix. Ngayon wala na sa
Mula lang sa'kin ay sabihin mong di na ako ang naglalaman ng itibok ng puso mo. Ang lahat pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay magaga.
laki na tayo. Ganda ng yan. Oh, nakabili din kami. 20 SR.
Dalawa sila, nahihilo. Nahihilo sila, kabain sila nung yung liver. Nahihilo sila, dalawa sila. Sila.
So ayun guys, for the meantime, stop by muna kami dito sa beach kasi medyo maaga kami dumating, 9 AM. So ang event namin is mag-start around 5 PM. So for the meantime, dito muna kami mag-spend ng whole day sa beach. And then, mga bandang 3 or 4 PM, pupunta na kami sa event.
Ano din na yung Medyo na po sinela.
Pinabalik ko na kayo, video ko kayo doon. Tupis talaga. Mainit. Hello guys, welcome back sa this Rural Safari. Today we're here in Yanbo Beach. Sa beach kami ngayon. Ang Yanbo ay in my background. Yung mga kasama ko ang gugulo. Lumayo ako. Ang init guys, sobra. Time check, 11:30 AM. Mainit siya pero malamig ang hangin. Okay naman, sulit. Effort talaga yung ano? Ah, may effort talaga.
Hindi niya alam yung kanyang Janet sa letter. Lagyan mo ng dahon. Malunggay. Ay, oo, dahon mo. Dito. Dito. Ganon. Tapos pa dahon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.